I'm Bruce Walter,
And I'm Kim Walter.
and we own this home, this property here. And we decided to go solar because we felt that it was our opportunity to do our part in helping combat global warming. And we also think that there's some financial gains to be made with money back from hydro for power that we don't use.
And we decided to go with Riverside after looking into 3 or 4 different companies because Merritt or Riverside's done a lot of work here in Merritt, and we felt they would know the process for permitting and things with our community. And we're really happy we made that choice. We were super pleased with the people that came and helped us through the planning process, and when the crews came for install, they were super quick, efficient, knew their job, and we're really pleased with the service that we had.
And I would say they got along like a team. They were obviously happy to be working together, which is a positive from my perspective. That they seemed to be excited about what they were doing and selling. So as opposed to somebody like a salesman that's just trying to sell you something, these guys they knew some of what they were doing was important for the environment, and they were excited to be doing it for that reason, it seemed to me.